Mike Ish with MarineMax, Maryland. Today I'm on a 2019 Scout 255 Dorado. Starting at the transom of the boat, we have the new Yamaha 150 with the digital shift and throttle. Nice upgrade from the standard. Good size swim platform. Moving forward with the 255 Dorado, we do have the very nice walk-through transom. Makes getting on and off of the boat very simple, very easy, whether you're boarding from the port or starboard side. With this being a Scout, you're still going to have the bait well in it, because at the end of the day it's still going to be a fishing boat. A large cockpit with seating that folds out to make a full L-shaped lounger. As we move over to the starboard side of the boat, we do have the slide out Yeti, wet bar, and cutting board. Of course, this seat does fold down to make more of a lounge versus just a rear facing seat. Very versatile, very nice option. Give the boat many different seating arrangements. As we move forward towards the helm, we have the upgraded Garmin radar GPS fish finder and the Fusion stereo sound that does have Bluetooth, syncs up to your phone, makes playing music a snap. At the helm, we get the extra wide forward-facing helm seats, both port and starboard. Both are going to have the flip-up bolster seats and the flip-down armrests. You'll also notice above me, with this being a Scout, very nicely finished, both top side and underside, hard top, fully reinforced. As we move forward, we do have the head on the 255 Dorado. Great place for storage if you're not using it as a head. And of course, moving forward to the bow, very, very deep, flip down armrests, again, both port and starboard, and topped off with the windlass. Of course, that's going to be a standard feature on the 255 Dorado. You're not going to find that on a lot of others. Again, Mike Ish, MarineMax, Maryland. Come check out our new Scout 255 Dorado or give us a phone call for a sea trial.